What up, y'all? Welcome to the Crypto Channel 329. Today's video is going to be an update about my Bybit trading bots. Okay, so overall, I'm even. Okay, I had some wins, I had some losses, but overall, I'm neutral. Well, even because I'm a bit up over 1,000. Okay, so I have 1,090 cents or something like that. Okay, guys, but yeah, I will call it even. So let's go over to my bots and let's see what's up. As you can see right here, currently I have no running bots. Okay, but I can show you the completed bots. I can show you my history, what's been happening uh lately. Okay, so yesterday I deployed these bots. Okay, I made 1% there. Also yesterday in 1 hour, I made 91% on BTC long. And not everything is green, guys. Let me just tell you that every time you see traders on Twitter, TG, YouTube saying, yeah, I win a lot, win a lot. That's not true, okay, guys? Because sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. This was a big win for me because this one was a big loss. This one I was like, man, this was AVAX. AVAX. Was going up, and then I thought he's gonna do a pullback. So my stop loss was at 2%, right? But I was monitoring AVAX, and I said to myself, let me increase the stop loss a little bit because if I increase my stop loss, eventually AVAX will pull back. Okay, so I was on short of AVAX. And where was I? I think I was here somewhere. And AVAX kept going up and up and up and up. So I was like, let me just set it to 5%. If it hits 5%, I'm out. And yes, it did hit 5%. So I was out. But, straight after, as you can see right here, it started coming down, right? But, it is what it is. I had that loss. And then I was on Phantom. I was like, man, I need to recoup a little bit of this loss, all right? Because as you can see right here, this one was deployed 5 hours ago, and this one was deployed 9 hours ago. Okay, so I had to recoup a little bit from my loss. So I deployed a bot on Phantom, and I managed to scoop 3.9. The stop loss and take profit was set to 4%, but it got stopped at or took profits at 3.9. Okay, so I managed to recoup some of the loss from here. Okay, scrolling further down, we can see another win, 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 and that's it. Okay, this one was a spot grip bot. Okay, I had it on for 170 days. Okay, that's why I see 41% right there. Right, so today I've got a few trades to to do. Okay, so I have Matic. Okay, so this is the 4 hour price chart. Matic. Okay, so Matic is really struggling to break this 1.18 barrier. Okay, so as you can see right here, every time it touches this green line, it gets rejected. So let me zoom in a little bit and let me show you my strategy or the trade that I want to trade on this one. Okay, as you can see right here, my prediction was wrong. So Matic didn't dump. Okay, and is consolidating right now. So the trade that I want to place on Matic is this one. I want to go short because as you can see right here, since the Matic touched the resistance level for the first time, it bounces back down, goes up, tries one more time, goes down, goes up, gets rejected, comes down, goes up, gets rejected, comes down. So I believe, well, that's what I think will happen. Okay. What I will think will happen is Matic will come over here and do this. If it does that, okay, I am gonna capture this swing, okay, and this swing, it's come on, get lost. it's a 2% swing, okay? 2% swing. So my short position is gonna be 2 to 1, okay? So I am gonna, on this trade, I'm not gonna deploy a bot, because on the bots you cannot set a limit order, okay? So once you deploy the bot will deploy it from the market price, okay? Whereas if you set a limit order with derivatives, you can say to the platform, hey, only deploy this trade if the price of Matic hits 118.23. Okay, if that's the case, the trade will be deployed, and then my stop loss is going to be at 1%. Okay, just to give a little bit of margin from this high right here. Okay, and my take profits will be over here, 115. As you can see right here, almost every time the price comes back to this white line and bounces back up, hence me looking forward to make this trade. Okay, but this trade probably is not going to happen within the next few hours. Okay, so it probably take let's say 4 or 5 hours in order for this trade to happen, right? So this is what I have in mind for Matic. So next one up is Phantom. Okay, we got Phantom right here. Phantom is the same thing. He's struggling to break this resistance level, right? And let's see what we have for Phantom. Okay, so if you zoom in, we can see the same thing, almost the same thing as Matic. Okay, over here I'll call it a double top. Okay, the Phantom came from here, touched this red line, which is resistance line, and got rejected. Okay, and then touched again, got rejected. So we got a double top right there. And then I believe from here the Phantom will break below. Okay, break down below this white line. So if that happens, I am gonna go short. Okay, again, 1 for 3. Okay, so 3% take profits, because it might come over here. Okay, 3%. I'm considering the 2 or 3%. Okay, if I go 2%, you will be safe, most likely. Okay, but probably 3% I should be fine as well. Okay, and stop loss will be at 1%, because there is a possibility that Phantom will, from here, instead of going down, it will bounce back up. Okay, so there is that possibility. That's why we got a stop loss right there. So if that's the case, I will lose just 1%. If this is the case, I will win, well, potentially 3%. Okay, so that's my idea for Phantom right here. So I'm just gonna, Phantom is close. Okay, so Phantom is close. I will have to change to 3-minute price chart to see, to try to figure it out which way Phantom will go, and then from there I will deploy my trade. All right, so as you can see right here, it's very close to this white line, so it might take a few minutes to see if I'm going to deploy the trade for the short, or probably I could deploy a one for long. I could deploy one for long. Let me see. So that's a 2%. So yeah, I could actually scalp 2% gain over there. Okay, so yes, I'm gonna keep an eye on Phantom, because Phantom seems like to be the first trade of the day. Next one up, we have BTC. Okay, so this is the BTC. Okay, seems like BTC is consolidating right here. Okay, struggling to go over 30.7. Let's zoom in and let's go for the 1-hour price chart. Right, this is BTC, and from what I can see, BTC, we have a pattern right here. Okay, so we have head and shoulders. We got one shoulder right here. We got one shoulder right here, and we got the head right here. Okay, so we got the head and shoulders. So we got the yellow line, head and shoulders. Okay, so head and shoulders, it's a bearish pattern. Okay, so my idea for BTC of the day is BTC come down to this line right here and break below. Okay, if that's the case, I'm gonna deploy trade right here. That's why I've got a short one, and I was right about BTC because I said, oh, BTC is gonna dump, and it actually did, as you can see right here. Yeah, so if I had a trade on this one, it would be a really good trade. Okay, but you don't get it right all the time. So 3% gain right there. But yeah, so for BTC, it's gonna take a few hours again. All right, so until BTC comes over here, it might be all day until BTC comes all the way down. Right, but from there, if BTC breaks below, then I'll be on trade, and for my take profit, it's going to be 2%, stop loss 1%. Okay, and that's going to be my trade ratio, right? And yeah, that's it for BTC. Next one up, we have ETH. Okay, ETH is consolidating and also struggling to overcome this 21.36 resistance level. Okay, let's zoom in a little bit and let's see what's up with ETH. So in regards to ETH, ever since ETH tried to break above this 2136, okay, is been touching, coming back down to this white line, try again, rejected, try again, rejected. So as you can see right here, we get the pattern, right? It's consolidating, it's going sideways, and we have a potential trade right here. So I think ETH will come down, and then from here bounce back up again, right? That's why I have a long position right here. So stop loss 1%, take profits 255%. Okay, so I'm not gonna go all the way to the top because if sometimes doesn't touch the top, so I'm gonna use this one, the previous high, okay, to get the profit. Okay, so either 2.5% will do me. Okay, anything above 1% is good. Next one up and last one, we have AVAX. Okay, AVAX was good. I did a good trade on AVAX yesterday. AVAX is doing really well. So as you can see right here, the overall trend is up, right? It's really good to see. Let me just go for 4-hour price chart. Yes, AVAX is bullish, all right? It's doing really, really well, right? AVAX is really bullish. So currently, AVAX is trading at 21.08. Okay, and I've got a long position for AVAX. I took this position yesterday, this trade yesterday, so went short, made just under 1%. And for today's trade, what I'm seeing right now is, as you can see right here, we got a bullish uptrend. Okay, so Matic is doing higher highs and higher lows. So I think Matic will go from here to here again. Okay, that's why I have the long position right there. Right, so I'm just waiting to see what's going to happen with AVAX. AVAX and Fed. Probably I'm gonna um, make the trades soon because they are very close to start doing what I expect them to do. Okay, as you can see right here, this is the AVAX, and feels like it's about to go up. Okay, and if that's the case, I can actually deploy a bot on the market price because AVAX it's right there. Okay, literally right there where I want him to be. Okay, let me see. Yeah, um, but then again, I need a confirmation that AVAX will actually go up. Okay, so if that's the case, we're potentially gonna make is it 2 for 1? 2 for 1, 3 for 1, 3% profits, 1% loss. Okay, so hopefully Matic, not Matic, AVAX will do what we're supposed to do, pump back up, and then from there we will make the 3% gain. Okay, guys, so those are the updates and the trades that I want to do today. Okay, guys, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing my crypto journey with y'all. Okay, so only invest risk capital. So stay tuned in for the next one. Peace.